Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute. Welcome to everyone that is new here. Hello there. Thank you for dropping by and you're welcome to my channel. My name is Miriam, and on this channel we talk about hair care, skincare, and a little bit of everything. So in case you're interested in such content, consider becoming part of the Nkosikadzi family by hitting a subscription button and also turning on your notification bell so that you're notified each and every time that I upload a new video. To my old subscribers, hey, welcome back. I know, I've been gone for a long time, but girl, I'm back. I am back. So let's get straight in what we're talking about today. Actually, I'm just going to be giving you a hair update because the videos that I've been posting or the videos that I posted some time back, or the last 3 videos, I think those videos were recorded a long time ago. I think early this year, that's when I recorded those videos. I have not been making new content, so in this video we're just going to be talking about what's been happening to my hair, what's going on, if I have changed anything in my routine, and so forth. So in case you're interested in such content, continue watching. So to begin with, last year and early this year I manipulated my hair a lot. I manipulated it a lot. I was trying to make as much content as I could, so I did a lot of slick hairstyles, tight hairstyles, like just to get the content. And I had noticed that my edges thinned out terribly. My edges thinned out, and I also experienced dandruff. I think that's January, February of this year. I experienced a lot of dandruff, itchy scalp, and whatnot. So I was like, is it worth it destroying my hair over YouTube? I was like, nah, I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. So that's the reason why I was posting old content, because I was giving my hair a break. Actually, my goal this year, by December, God willing, I want to grow 12 inches of hair. That sounds but yeah, I want to grow 12 inches of hair this year. So by January, when I did a length check, my hair was around 6 inches, somewhere there, 6 inches. I think it was between 5 point something and 6 inches of hair. And then after that, so far this year, I have trimmed my hair twice because of the over manipulating. My hair was experiencing split ends, so this year I trimmed my hair twice. And then I had put it in a protective hairstyle for a month, and then I took it down, did another protective hairstyle, which is this one. I had done rope twists, so I just took them down today because I've had them for like almost a month. So I took them down so that I can wash my hair, detangle, deep condition and everything, and then I'll put it back in a hairstyle. My goal is to grow 12 inches of hair this year. And I noticed today as I was taking down my protective hairstyle that my hair has really grown. I'm making this video on the 18th of July, and as of today, as of today, my hair measured 11 inches. Girl, I want to scream, but my neighbors are sleeping. But yeah, as of today, my hair was measuring between 10 inches to 11. So I had like parts that were 10 point something to 11 inches. Other parts were 11, other parts were 10 point something inches. And I was like, girl, in 3 months, my hair has grown so much. I don't know if it's because of how intentional I have been with my hair, or if it's because I just gave it space to breathe. I don't know, but like what I'm doing so far is simple. If you want to know my routine, let's get straight into it. Okay, so like I said, my routine is very simple. If you follow me, you know that I use my brand for all my products. I use my brand. So every morning or on any other morning, sometimes I am busy, I do it like once after 2 days. I always spray my hair with hair tea. So that's something I have changed in my routine. uh those days I would just moisturize with water in a spray bottle. Like I'll just put my water in a spray bottle and spritz my hair for a moisturizer. But this time around, I changed. I no longer moisturize with water. I moisturize with my hair growth tea. So in this tea, I have like a mixture of 7 herbs, 7 to 10 herbs that I mixed. And then I came up with this tea, and that's what I use every morning. In case you don't know how that looks like, give me a minute. Okay, so this is the tea that I've been using. I use it as a leave-on spray, a leave-on tea actually. So this is the tea that I have been using every morning, or after 2 days I spray that, and this is how the tea looks like. Yes, this is how the tea looks like. Actually, it's available for sale. In case you're interested, make sure that you do check the description box. I'll add the details on how you can get that tea. So I have noticed that my hair has grown so much. I've been using this tea for like 2 to 3 months now. I've been using it for like 2 to 3 months. I no longer experience dandruff. Dandruff is an issue of the past. I don't have dandruff. My scalp doesn't itch. It's actually you get it. Yeah, so my scalp feels healthy, it's all good, my hair is strong, it's moisturized, it's nourished because of the tea. After spraying the tea mostly, when I had the protective hairstyle, let's say the rub twist that I had, I would go in with my leave-in conditioner, which is this one. I would go in with my leave-in conditioner. After applying my leave-in conditioner, I would go in with my hair growth oil, use it on my scalp, massage my scalp. From there, I would just seal everything with my hair butter. And I used to do that because if you're in Zambia, it was very cold starting from June. But now in July, the weather was harsh. It wasn't joking. So I used to make sure that I seal everything up with the butter just to make sure that the moisture isn't lost in my hair. And then on wash days, yes, I used to wash my hair, even in protective hairstyles. I used to wash it once every 2 weeks. So I would use my black soap herbal shampoo. It's also available for sale. I used to use my before that actually I would pre-poo my hair with a hot oil treatment, and the oil that I would use is the shebe oil. I would either use the shebe oil or the clove oil for a pre-poo treatment. After that, I would shampoo my hair with the black soap herbal shampoo. After that, I would go in with my lavender dip conditioner. Sorry, I would go in with my lavender dip conditioner. After the lavender dip conditioner, I would just rinse everything out, and then I would continue with my routine of applying the leave-in conditioner and also the hair oil and even the butter. So I also have the edge hair growth also. Like you can see, my edges have actually grown back, because otherwise my edges were gone. Like I had manipulated my hair so much such that my edges were gone, and I would make sure that when I'm wearing a style or even a protective hairstyle, I would never put it in a ponytail or in a puff, because my edges would look lost. But like you can tell, they've grown back. I don't want to ruin my hairstyle, but yeah, my edges have grown back, and that's because of the edge growth oil that I use on it. Mostly, I apply it twice in a week. I'll just apply it twice in a week, massage it on my edges, and my edges are back. I'm sure they'll grow even more than now. But yeah, so that's what I've been doing. And my hair has flourished. Like, I couldn't believe, I'm still in shock. Actually, in case you're wondering how I did this hairstyle, I just took down my rope twists. My hair is in tangles, it needs attention, but it took me like 5 hours to take them down because I was so careful. Because of keeping them in for a month, my hair is all tangled. There was new growth, so I did not want to cause breakage. That's the reason why I took my time So I started very late. By the time I was done, it was late. So I was like, I'm not going to start washing my hair at this time. I'm just going to create enough time to wash my hair, because after a protective style, I want to give my hair extra attention when washing it, because I know from then it's going into another protective style. So I want to make sure that it is in the right state and it is healthy. Besides, I also inspect my hair after a protective style. I want to see what's going on. If is it growing, is it hard, is it breaking, everything. So this is the only time I get to do that. So my challenge started in March. Yes, because by February I was still over manipulating my hair. It was breaking. So starting from March, I committed to taking care of my hair and to grow 12 inches. So from March, after I what's that? After I trimmed my hair, you can go back on my page just for reference, because I had posted notes there in March. After trimming my hair and measuring it, it was somewhere like 7 inches. Today is July the 18th. My hair is like 11 inches. Girl, I don't know, but that tea is doing something to the tea is doing something to my hair. So like I still can't believe that. Hopefully I'm going to make a video for you guys where you can see how long my hair has become. I'm sure you can even tell from that. So my hair has really become long, and I'm excited because I had planned to grow 12 inches by December, but this is July. My hair is at 11, between 10 and 11 inches, and I know by December, girl, I'm having the 12 inches, and I like it or not. And who knows, maybe I might even go to 13 inches, and I'm excited for that. So that's what has been happening to my hair. Nothing special has changed, except that I have replaced water to tea now for my moisturizer. So there you have it. I'll see you in my next video, but I have to go. I know this video was everywhere. But it has been long since I did this. It's been long since I recorded a video. I even forgot the formalities and how it is done. But I hope you guys have learned a thing or two. And in case you want to purchase the products, you can hit me up. You can use the numbers in my description box, and somebody will attend to you, or you can follow me on Instagram or on my Facebook page, and there you can order your products. Otherwise, it's been nice talking to you guys after a long time. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Remember to grow hair that's big.